Hello everyone, today, we are going to talk about the 4th tallest building in the world. Check out our previous videos to know more about the top 3 tallest buildings as of the date of this video. The Makkah Royal Clock Tower, also known as the Abraj Al-Bait Clock Tower, is an iconic skyscraper located in the city of Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Completed in 2012, it stands at an impressive height of 601 meters, 1,972 feet, making it one of the tallest buildings in the world. The tower is a central feature of the larger Abraj Al-Bait complex, which includes luxury hotels, residential apartments, and commercial spaces. One of the most distinctive features of the clock tower is the massive clock face, which spans an area of 43 meters, 141 feet, in diameter and is visible from miles away. The clock itself is adorned with Arabic calligraphy and is considered one of the largest and most accurate clocks in the world. The tower also houses a museum that showcases Islamic artifacts and exhibits related to the history and significance of Mecca. During the holy month of Ramadan, the clock tower's illuminations and special light displays create a breathtaking spectacle for worshippers and visitors alike. The Makkah Royal Clock Tower has become an architectural symbol of Mecca and serves as a prominent landmark for millions of Muslims who gather in the city for the annual Hajj pilgrimage. Before we go into further details, appreciate if you can click the subscribe button and the notification bell for more videos. Architectural design. The Makkah Royal Clock Tower was designed by the architectural firm Dar al-Handasa. Its design draws inspiration from Islamic architecture and features a blend of modern and traditional elements. The tower's sleek silver facade is adorned with intricate geometric patterns and Islamic motifs. Clock and timekeeping. The clock of the Makkah Royal Clock Tower is located on the uppermost part of the building, just below the crescent-topped spire. It consists of 4 huge clock faces, each measuring around 43 meters, 141 feet, in diameter. The clock is illuminated with LED lights, allowing it to be visible day and night. It displays the Hijri, Islamic, calendar as well as the time in local Saudi Arabian time. Clock accuracy. The clock tower is equipped with advanced technology that ensures remarkable accuracy. It is synchronized with the German-manufactured Strasbourg astronomical clock, one of the world's most precise timekeeping devices. The clock tower's accuracy is crucial for coordinating prayer times and other religious events in Mecca. Observation deck. The clock tower offers an observation deck called the Skybridge, located at a height of 558 meters, 1,831 feet, above the ground. The Skybridge provides panoramic views of the city and the Masjid al-Haram, the holiest site in Islam, which surrounds the Kaaba. Cultural significance. The Makkah Royal Clock Tower has gained immense cultural and religious significance. It serves as a prominent landmark for Muslims worldwide, guiding them during their prayers and acts as a reference point when performing the tawaf, circumambulation, or on the Kaaba during the Hajj and Umrah pilgrimages. Now let's go to the world records that this building has created. The Makkah Royal Clock Tower holds several notable records. Tallest Clock Tower. The Makkah Royal Clock Tower is currently recognized as the tallest clock tower in the world, standing at a height of 601 meters, 1,972 feet. Largest clock faces. The clock faces on the Makkah Royal Clock Tower are among the largest in the world, with each face measuring approximately 43 meters, 141 feet, in diameter. Largest clock area. The total area covered by the clock faces on the Makkah Royal Clock Tower is around 1,842 square meters, 19,805 square feet, making it one of the largest clock areas in existence. Most accurate clock. The clock mechanism within the Makkah Royal Clock Tower is known for its precision and accuracy. It is synchronized with the Strasbourg astronomical clock, renowned for its timekeeping accuracy. Highest observation deck. The Makkah Royal Clock Tower features an observation deck called the Skybridge situated at a height of 558 meters, 1,831 feet, above the ground, making it one of the highest observation decks in the world. The Makkah Royal Clock Tower has evolved into a symbol of profound cultural and spiritual significance. It stands as a beacon of faith and a remarkable testament to the architectural prowess of Mecca. Its towering presence guides millions of pilgrims who flock to the city each year to partake in the transformative Hajj pilgrimage, solidifying its place as a cherished landmark in the hearts of Muslims worldwide. The Makkah Royal Clock Tower's grandeur and prominence continue to inspire awe and reverence, serving as a testament to Mecca's enduring spiritual legacy.